Today we'll know how to calculate working days using the Excel. First thing I will do, I'll create a new Excel file. I will call it working days. If I put here a start date and here finish date, let's say the start date is 1st November 2012 and the finish date will be end of November 2012. I'll change this one to be date format, not to get confused. If I'll do the same, the normal formula in Excel equal the finish date minus the start date, it will give me 29 days. Let's say I have here holidays for 10 November and another holiday 11 November, and I want to calculate how many working days. So this is working days. There is a very nice formula in Excel, like equal. I'll use this formula, then I have to pick up the start date, comma, end date, then I have to choose which weekend, Friday, Saturday. If we use it Friday, this is the weekend, so it will not be calculated. Then here I have the holiday which will be added or omitted from the working days, and I'll close the brackets. So I have 24 working days in the period of 1st November to end of November. I hope you enjoyed this video.